and ever after, and it's supposed to be a dark ride.
A dark ride? Is it going to be spooky? It said you may get wet, right? Yep, it's in there. Should be fun. Oh no, you'll be all right.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. Oh, you're going to Elsa's ice palace. Spend your outdoor rain. It'll be so beautiful. See you there. I'm selfish act of true love and full of frozen heart.
Oh, and you're your best friend. You're going up to the ice palace.
What'd you think,
In
Jillian?
summer in Albia.
Did you like it? Did you like it, Addie?
Welcome back. Season new season to the boat.
What'd you think of the ride, Addie?
It was good.
Yeah? What was your favorite part?
Oh, whenever we went backwards.
Backwards? What about you, Jillian? What'd you think of the ride?
It was nice.
Did you have a favorite part? Oop.
I liked the end when he was singing about summer.
Ah.
Hey, we're at Disney Hollywood Studios and we're gonna have some fun!
I smell coffee.
Is this like their main street? You gonna go in that tower? I don't know if we are. We've been in it. It's hard to film. Ooh, look, Fantasmic. What are we doing?
Roller coaster.
Rock and roller coaster. It's like a limousine, right? Part limo, part roller coaster. All fun. Addie, can we play the guitars? Will you get in trouble for playing the guitars? Huh?
Yeah.
I can't play. So this is like a recording studio slash hotel, I guess.
Hey, music lovers.
got
Welcome to
carpet.
G-Force Records.
Ooh.
Just so you know what's rocking here.
Stage dive off of any of the railings, that would be wonderful. As you can see, Aerosmith is laying down a few tracks for you, so as a courtesy, they do ask for no flash photography or video lighting.
Wow, all right. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute. Yeah. What's hey?
It's like a limousine, Addie. There they go. There you go. Oh, come on. Think you can handle it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah? I don't know if I can. It's already empty when it shows up. They must drop you off somewhere else. Feels like a parking garage, huh? Okay, so we had a little trouble with the video on the ride, but it was too dark, I guess. But what'd you guys think?
I loved it.
I loved it too. Very cool, right? Well, I liked all the road signs. It wasn't too bumpy, but it was thrilling, you know?
Yeah. It was like really smooth and quick.
Yeah, it was like Space Mountain, but not as rough, maybe. Very cool. Awesome. Was that us going upside down?